morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region currently, seeing our southwesterly winds start to increase slightly as we move into the 10 o'clock hour. Once we move into the afternoon hours today, we'll see those winds jump up, and looks like we'll have a wind advisory likely for this afternoon. Wind gusts possibly as high as 35 miles an hour. As we move into this evening, we'll see a cold front move through the region. It'll be a dry front. Only a very slight chance of a brief sprinkle when that front does move through, but it will usher in some drier and some cooler conditions for our Thursday before we see another warm front move through the region on Friday, and seeing another cold front once again move through for Friday evening into Saturday morning. So a few different fronts moving through the next couple days, and seeing some weather changes with some cooler conditions for our Thursday, then warming back up for Friday, and also seeing some warmer conditions for the weekend. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, high pressure rain control currently. Cold front's going to be moving through the region. It's currently across the Midwest, and that'll be our weather pattern for today. Looking at our current observation page as well as satellite imagery, you can see we do have mostly sunny skies across the region currently. Southwesterly winds starting to gust into the lower 20s for miles per hour this morning. Overall, seeing some decent conditions right now. We'll see those winds pick up this afternoon. And taking a look at the HERM model here for the next 2 days, you can see that cold front moves through right around midnight tonight or just after. Could see some ceilings around 3,000 feet when that does move through. But overall, just going to see a switch in our wind direction out of the northwest, and seeing that cooler and drier air move in for Thursday. And then for Friday, we'll see that warm front move through the region, and seeing a once again mild day across the region, more southwesterly flow. Taking a look at the European model here for the long range, you can see that front move through this evening. High pressure builds in overhead on Friday, so a chilly start today on Friday, and then seeing that warm up on Friday with the southwesterly flow ahead of the front. Front moves through on Saturday night. Good to see a shower across the region with this front. And then for Saturday, we'll see high pressure build back in briefly before we see another warm front move through on Sunday morning. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and even isolated thunderstorm, and then we'll see a cold front move through for Sunday evening. Right now, models having a tough time whether we'll see additional showers and a possible thunderstorm develop along that cold front with the passage on Sunday evening. And move into Monday, much cooler atmosphere or air mass moves in the region. That's going to give us some temperatures below average for this time of year, as well as seeing a possibility of seeing a shower Monday evening into Tuesday morning. And we'll see some cooler conditions continuing into Tuesday, and most likely we'll see our first freeze coming early next week. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll see the red conditions for the wind this afternoon, gusting up to 31 knots. We'll see our temperature rise to 67 degrees for a high today, low tonight of 48. We'll see colors for our winds throughout the next 24 hours, with the best chance of that wind advisory comes this afternoon into the evening hours of the cold frontal passage. Looking at our terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions in general the next 24 hours. That brief period of some lower ceilings, the cold front moves through for about an hour or two near midnight, but overall, looking at good sky conditions in the next 24 hours. Our tides are slightly below normal at this time. And looking at Thursday into Friday, Thursday we'll see mostly sunny and slightly breezy winds during the morning, a high of 58 degrees. Thursday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy with light winds, a low of 37 degrees. We'll see some temperatures possibly in the lower 30s inland on Friday morning, so could see some frost inland. And for our Friday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, breezy conditions by late morning with that southwesterly flow developing, a high of 63 degrees. Yellow conditions for our winds Thursday and Friday. Taking a look at 7 days, we'll see our best chance of rainfall come on Sunday, a high of 71 degrees. So a mild weekend, 69 on Saturday, 71 on Sunday. Then we go back towards below average temperatures for Monday into Tuesday. Slight chance we see a shower move through Monday evening into early Tuesday morning, and seeing temperatures only up into the upper 40s for highs on Tuesday, possibly seeing that first freeze Monday morning across the area. So much more like winter conditions with those temperatures in the 40s and overnight lows near freezing for early to middle portion of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.